What's up, Paul? What's up, homie? Thank you, bud. Love you, man. There's Steve. Now, who's this? What the fuck are you doing up there, man? Oh, nice big fucking chemtrail. And 2 there. So we got 2 there, 2 over there. Well, 3, 4. So that's 6 chemtrails. So we're gonna get hit with something. That's coming back. And Zoe's coming back. I had a life-changing event happen, and I neglected a bunch of shit. I couldn't do it. I just couldn't. But, anyway, good morning. Yeah.